Hi, and thanks for joining us. I'd like to start off by sharing with you the definition of what a life settlement is. Simply put, a life settlement is the actual sale of a life insurance policy for an amount in excess of any cash value. And I'm not sure you knew this or not, but life settlements are actually regulated now in 42 states and can be conducted in all 50 states. I'm going to share with you real quick a story that impacted me early on in the life settlement industry and I guess would say validated the importance of letting advisors and their senior clients know that a life settlement might be an option. I was sitting down with an ex-client of mine when I used to work at a bank, and I was letting them know what I do in the life settlement industry. He quickly said, I knew exactly who that would have been perfect for, my mother. She was 90 years old, and she had a $5 million life insurance policy that they let lapse last year. I said, oh my God, is there a way to reinstate the policy? Unfortunately, he told me, no, it's not possible. So knowing what I knew at that time, that policy could have probably sold for $1.5 million to $2 million. And that situation, I think, just pinpoints out the unfortunate situation in that case of an advisor and or a family just not being aware that a life settlement might be an option. They had left $1.5 million to $2 million on the table for their family, and all that money they had poured into the life insurance policies over those years could have been recaptured in a big way, or at least most of it probably, and they were unable to get anything for it, and they allowed the policy to lapse because those premiums were getting so expensive. They were around $250,000 to $300,000 a year. So that's an unfortunate story, but I just think it points out the importance of creating awareness and the growing responsibility and more or less fiduciary responsibility of the advisors and agents to let their clients and family members know that a life settlement might be the best option. I'm not here to oversell life settlements because not every senior with a life insurance policy works all the time. It's not that easy. We have to look at it closely. But it's always worth evaluating whether or not a life settlement might be an option when clients either the premiums are getting too expensive or they need cash for whatever reason. It's worth taking a hard look at. So I hope that emphasizes that point, and in the next video I'm going to share some further benefits to clients as well as to advisors of conducting life settlements.